gonna be, oops. And today I'm gonna be playing Ice Cream 2. I don't know about Ice Cream 1, but let's just start the game. Okay. Extreme. Ooh. Ghost. I'm gonna go on Ghost. Cause. Okay. Okay, let's skip that. Well, I have played Ice Cream, the first game, but I think I didn't upload it. I'll upload a gameplay of me playing Ice Cream 2. No thank you.
Don't play with me. Give me the ice cream.
Oh.
Hi, Jay. Are you coming to play? The boys are in the
Who's she?
My brother has told me he has something
I'm
to
sorry
tell
for
me.
no face cam,
It
cause
sure is silly.
I might not
You know
need
what?
it. Oh my God! Liz!
Get in here, you little bastard.
I didn't say it right. My friend Nathan told me to play Ice Cream 2. Told me to do the second game. And I don't know why. The second game, I think it's easy. Sorry. Ooh, bed sheets. Okay. Let's speed run this. Well, that's what's in ghost mode, you can't see.
Is anybody watching?
Look at this guy. They just skip. No. Not comfortable.
Going to count some kids today. I'm looking for the jump puppy. Going to find these chubby kids and we're gonna
Just to let you know, if you see any people, if an ice cream ass head and freezes your friends, well, an ad is gonna pop up. Yay.
Come on, hurry.
Wait. Okay. Wait, run. Okay, I'm out here. I got the candles. So let's go to the seconds. I'm doing a video right now. Okay.
Ice cream make walk from me.
Please, shush. I'm gonna freeze you. No, your plan's not gonna be perfect. Nope. Didn't find anything interesting. I'll be back until I find. Okay, guys, I'm back, but I'm just back to just try to do some epic. Okay. That was really awkward. That was really. Ew. Pennywise. Okay, guys, here I am with my 4 items. So I'm gonna go maybe to the cemetery. Yeah, boy. That's just one of my friends watching. One of my friends is watching Ant. A popular YouTuber. I don't know. I'm not that popular. Okay. What now? Where's Rod? I'm gonna have to pause this because it will take too long waiting for Rod. Okay, everyone, Mitchell's back. I'm back. And I got the final piece. I had to jump cut.
I'm not gonna sit here and play
So
these
defend
conversations
peace.
because I know there are people out there who don't want the full
I'm gonna get a door now. In the last game, well, I played it too. Nathan and me noticed, or we played together, we noticed that if there is, like, at the end of the game, there's a cage padlock to unlock the thing.
Really quickly. Why?
It's just in ghost mode, so don't worry.
Something horrible is happening with the dark.
Now we can save Liz.
He has no idea what to do. His
I know
power
that's
seems to be
her name.
overtaking him. That is all
Because
I'm going to say
I
about the
think
concept
it.
of the leak itself.
Yeah.
What does this mean, though? Well, Steven Universe
He told me Nathan played this game, but the only thing he said was her name was Liz. This girl's name was Liz, and
Ice cream maker.
okay, let's unlock her. I can't unlock her now. Oh, I need to go to okay. Don't worry, Liz. You're going home. It's unlocked you. Wait, I forgot. Back to the neighborhood. Liz, come on, jump, jump, jump. Yeah, let's jump. No, Liz, no. Really, Liz? Really? Really, Liz? Really, Liz? Really, Liz? Oh, you have to jump off. No, why would he even need the perfume?
Wait!
Why? That means there might be a third game. Oh, he has a crush on her. Wow. Wow.
Look at the menagerie. You must be amethyst. You must be garnet.
Thank you. Say hello, everyone. Oh, wait. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Ice Cream. Ice Cream 2. This episode is brought to you by Mitchell. And one face cam. Bye, everyone. Mitchell.